As you know, one of our viewers called Stan Watts from Scotland has collected some samples of the volcanic dust from his window. He has sent us and posted videos about this. You can see some of these shards that are marked here. They look all the signs of volcanic ash being shattered, being glass shard like this one being turned around in the air when actually were molten. And other pieces of, look at this one, it has vesicles, holes in it, the bubbles and things like that. And you can see even more particles like this one that has signs of being turned around in the air when we're in a molten state. And there is many here, little broken shards of glass. These are volcanic glass. When we say glass, they are volcanic glass, means amorph, unshaped, uncrystalline. This is very interesting. It's full in this sample. And they have been drawn by the wind from the La Palma to Scotland all the way up. I have videos about it. Look at those videos.